Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com adds, the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.